Hello, good day. This is five screen strategy for crypto and forex. Okay. So I am RJ and I am your instructor for this session. So first off, set the background. I have been doing Signal for a long time, and this is one of the community where I drop Signal, Filthy Rich Futures. They have like 17,000 members. Okay. And then this is just today. Okay, this is just today at 4 a.m. So I closed my position at 120% and I dropped them signal. So I update them with the signal. So for a whole day, we made at least 120%. Okay, I update them with the gold, double top, and also the S&P, the Russell, because they are all related also to crypto and also for Forex. Okay, so I gave them the Ethereum signal. Then I gave them the BCH signal and I gave them the BTC. Okay, and all made profit for the day. Okay, so my win rate for the whole September is this one. So this was created by this community. It has at least 65% win rate. Our strategy is 75 to 80% win rate. So this fits perfectly with our strategy, okay? So we have 85 trades because our strategy is price action, so more trades actually. Okay, total trades per day, win 66, losses 19. Okay, best is 255, and then the worst is 85% loss. This is this is from our risk management, so that would mean you will not lose more than you have put in your capital. So we always practice that risk management. Okay, so if you practice 1% per trade, so no problem with you. You only lose 1% from your trade if we have a bad trade. Okay, okay. So this is the group. Okay, so there are days that we make 100%, 120%, and there are days that we make 320% profit. Okay, like total of 320%. It's just close today. So we have 320%. Like this one, we have 197% profit from 6 trades. Okay? 5 profit, 1 break even, no loss trade. Okay? So this one, so everybody is excited whenever I give signal. ITA is perfect. Okay? Not really perfect, 75 to 80% win rate. Okay, there are times that we make like full close at 136%. Imagine. Total of 188%. BTC at 87%. 140% total profit. So this is different day. Okay. We are at 100% profit now for 3 positions. Okay. So basically, our strategy is working well. Okay. Here, some Forex also. Same strategy working for Forex, just testing, practicing risk management. Okay. So this one, like from the 24 trade, made $30. That means it's more than 100% profit. Okay. Because this one is pips. In Forex, it's pips. So it's a different thing. Okay. But still, our strategy works well. Okay. Okay. There are days that we make like 300 plus percent. There are days that also negative, so that's normal because that's day trader. Okay. but mostly we have profitable trades. Okay? Okay. I showed them some TA here. Testing my strategy to Forex market, which is originally a Forex strategy. Okay. Looks well, not to mention it has 195 billion. Okay. Okay. BTC at 204%. That's a swing position. Okay. So basically, our trades are here. Today we have 9 trades, total of 388% profit. Okay? In a whole day, 10:41 p.m. So the whole day we have 9 trades with 388% profit. Okay, even though there is stop loss like 9%, it's fine because so many good trades anyway. Okay? So that's our signal, okay? And also we have it also in Telegram, like 2,500 members. I also drop here. So this is what you are, what you can expect. Okay. So you can access a Telegram group if you when you enroll this course. And then I'm gonna create a specific for a Udemy group. Okay, Udemy students, and then free access to Signal every hour or confirm Signal. I usually drop Signal on Frankfurt Market Open. Uh, I also drop Signal in open and close of the Frankfurt, open and close of London Market, open and close of US Market. Okay, Japan close market I drop also, and Australia or Sydney, Australia closing market, I also drop. Usually I'm asleep at Australian and Japan market open. Okay, that's the time I sleep. And then the rest of the market open, I'm dropping signal. Okay, so I'm a full-time day trader. So you can expect that I'm always watching the, the market. Okay, and then Forex and crypto copy trading is also available. So once you have this, you're gonna access our copy trading also for Forex and also for crypto. Okay, so if you enroll in our course, and then you learn the strategy that I use to drop signal in the community. Okay, so I drop signal, right? This is the signal that I use. You can see here, this is the wordings. You will be able to learn this one, how to create signal if you want make this also your business, not just for you to make money, but also to be one of those who give signal to community. Okay, but with 75 to 80% win rate. Okay, so you will learn this 5 screen strategy. I'll be teaching this, and this strategy is, by the way, is worth $200, but here in Udemy it's it's only $100. And then you got it really 50% discount. So I hope you grab the opportunity from it. Many of my Discord students, Discord followers really ask for my strategy because they want to learn it on their own. Okay? And then you can make some extra cash. Okay? You can make money also from this strategy and also from becoming a signal provider in groups also. Okay? So, and another thing is you can use this also to become a prop firm trader. Okay, like FTMO. Okay, you can be a trader there also in Forex. Okay. Okay, so what you will be able to learn in our session is the strategy in our session 1, the price action, scalper strategy. the 5 screen strategy, how to find the confirmation, the supply and demand in relation to this strategy, the volume in the current hour you are trading. So you need to watch also the volume if it's going to break or not. And also watching the DXY, S&P 500, and Russell 2000 to find the confirmation for your trade. Session 2 will be about the risk management for cryptocurrency, entry, stop loss, leverage. So how I'm able to figure out your entry, your stop loss, and the leverage. Okay, leverage is you just don't put it because you want it. It should be based on your computation. I have here, this arrow here is the entry, 22 to 1, 22 to 1.5, then stop loss 24.86, 24.86. So my entry and my stop loss is right here. And then leverage, how I computed my leverage, okay? Okay. Volume in the current hour you are trading, and then, yeah, risk management, entry, stop loss, leverage. And then session 3 is risk management. Okay, I also have that in Forex, okay? So you can see this is for the Forex. So you can see the risk management for Forex, lot sizing. So this one, lot size. So I provide the lot size because you cannot change the leverage in Forex. It's always fixed, especially in currency. Usually Euro, USD is 500x. So it's gonna be fixed. So to manage risk is a change of lot sizing. Okay, so I'll be teaching this one also. Okay, entry, stop loss. Okay, so same here. Okay, same here. We're able to take profit for this one. Okay, lot sizing, stop loss, and entry. And then session 4 would be how to create your account in BitGet using a referral, and also in how to create a TMGM Forex exchange account also using our referral also. So you can have free access to the Telegram group where I will be dropping the signal for free. Okay. Of course, you can choose not to use my referral, or you can choose to stay on your current exchange in Forex or crypto. But there will be monthly fees like $50 monthly. So if you want to have it free, so you use the referral code. If you don't want, then you can just pay. Okay, your call. Okay, and then there will be a downloadable materials. Okay, the strategy have a downloadable materials. You can access it all. Okay, and even my PowerPoint. I have this PowerPoint here. Uh, you can access it also. Okay. And by the way, this course is for not for newbie. Okay, this course is not for newbie because this is advanced. Okay, this is a bit advanced. If you want to start for newbie, then you enroll my technical analysis course. Okay, that's for the basic, and that's just a $5, $10 course because it's just you can even find it on internet. But my strategy, because you can make money, that's why it's expensive. Okay, but it's cheap compared to the one that you will be making money with. Okay. Okay, all the best, all the best. See you in the class session. Okay, bye bye.